Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobbi Lace. I don't normally sound this nasally. I'm sick. But, oh well, I'm getting over being sick. But today is a couple days before New Year's Eve and I came up with this like really glittery but also vampy with the lip. I really hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial, so let's get into it. I'm going to use the Kathleen Lights Dream Street collaboration with ColourPop. Okay, so I'm going to be using this shade and this shade from the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette, and that is called Shooting Star, and then I'm using Kaleidoscope. Okay, so you guys see this giant mess that like will not go away. I've had this on my face literally for like can't even remember. It's been like 2 weeks at least. It's a freaking mess. Okay, so we need to go back to the makeup. Jesus, I'm just in a chatty mood. So I'm gonna use the shade Shooting Star on this giant fluffy brush. It's a Farah 35E brush. So watch what we're getting ready to do. This is just like the easiest look, really. It looks hard, but it'll end up being so beautiful. Like everywhere. Just swoop it all around in a giant circle. You see this? Oh, okay. I just wanted to show you guys something that's a little bit more real time. Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Kaleidoscope and just basically put it everywhere, all over my normal lid, you know, like where my crease is, even like a little bit above that. So put that on there, and this is like a flat just eyeshadow packing brush, which is exactly what we're doing. We're just like packing on the eyeshadow right here. Anyways, while I'm doing this, and I'm like gonna like lightly feather the edges, so I might be going back and forth with the Farah brush in this, but while I'm going back and forth and doing what I'm doing, what are y'all good? Like, you guys should comment down below, since this is clearly, you know, out before New Year's Eve. What are you guys doing for New Year's Eve? You know, like, you're gonna go to a party, you kicking it with babe on the couch, like what's everybody going to be doing? Anyways, it's the LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner that I just put right there, and not necessarily that one for any particular reason. I'm actually looking for my smudgy brush. I guess this one's not my smudge brush, but it will work. It's just like a little, this is technically a JH 39. These fucking silver on white, it's so hard to read. But it's a JH 39, which is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab for brushes. Yes, I bought her brushes as well. I used to be such a huge Jaclyn Hill fan. She just like, I can't stand like these YouTubers now, the big ones in the beauty community. They're just fucking clowns, man. Like, I used to like usually watch Jaclyn Hill, like everything she put out, just because I wanted to see the makeup. Like, she was so passionate about the makeup, and she just is not anymore, man. Like, that's pretty legit. I don't know anybody who wouldn't say that. And she even has said that before herself, like, and which is why I do makeup. Guys, let's be, I just want to like say really quickly, I do YouTube videos. I don't get paid for it, but I do it because I love makeup, right? But I just like get so discouraged with how the beauty community within YouTube and the beauty industry as a whole, it's just doesn't, it seems like so cutthroat. Everybody wants a check, like, and they're not doing it for the love of makeup, which is stupid. Like, if you want to get money, I'm sure there are way faster, easier, like, why are you here wasting everybody's time? It just doesn't seem like, it's annoying, honestly, because I joined YouTube in the hopes of like, one, we can make new friends that love makeup as much as you do, like stuff like that. And like, I found like other beauty YouTubers will not talk to you if you also do beauty YouTube. Like, that is just ridiculous to me. Like, so it's so competitive, it's gotten to a retarded point. Like, it's just dumb. It's dumb. Back to my makeup. Now I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue. I'm gonna put a little bit just on the back of my hand right here, and I'm going to use my finger actually instead of a brush, since I have like a really large area that I'm gonna cover. And so I don't pick up too much product, blah blah blah. And I feel like I have better control with my finger itself. I can feel like how far I'm putting pressure, because as I'm going upward on my eye, I'm using less pressure because I want the glitter to look like it fades. So naturally I'm putting the glitter glue in like a fading kind of motion, okay? Like just less and less and less, right? And then like, and I have my little paper with my glitter on it, and then I'm going to just stamp the glitter all over my lid. I'm actually using this glitter. It's from Hard Candy. And this glitter, oh my goodness. I wanted to use it for Christmas, but I ran out of days. Because I wanted to do the Christmas tree and the candy cane. But I was like, well, you know, can't get everything. So there's this. But this is the Hard Candy, their Poppin' Pigments. This is Hard Candy, their Poppin' Pigments in the shade Lock and Key. So I think I got this out of like a holiday set that was like sold at Walmart or something. But if you go to the Hard Candy website, it might be there. But I don't know. Let me get on with this before this video is long as shit. Okay, this is the NYX gel eyeliner in the shade Silver Dust. So I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. And then we're gonna take some of that shade Kaleidoscope on a mini brush, which I think this is just like a little, it's an e.l.f. brush because it says e.l.f. on it, but I think it's a little e.l.f. like inner corner brush. And we're gonna take some of that shade Kaleidoscope And I'm going to put it on my inner corner, but not just only on my inner corner. I'm going to sweep it inward and all over the Silver Dust shade. Just to kind of set it so it will stay exactly where it's at. Just to make everything look a little bit more seamless, I'm going to take this All Over Shadow by Elizabeth Mott brush and then just go into both of the creases, my upper crease and my lower crease, sweeping everything over, making it look just a little bit more seamless. Now I'm going to go off camera and curl my lashes and put on some false lashes. Of course, if you don't want false lashes, like I normally don't, but today is a special occasion, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and put on some false. Okay guys, so in my December Ipsy bag that did not come until like 2 days ago, which is like late December, okay? I got this Space Case blush and it's in the shade It's Not Me, It's My Sign. So let's open this together. I haven't even opened it, so like I don't know what color this is. I intend on using it unless it's like just heinous. Like, so who knows? So this is the color. And ooh, it feels nice and soft. It looks very subtle, so I think that's okay for this look. So let's go ahead and put on some blush. Use this blush brush because I have not used it at all. And I didn't have like a new foundation or a new bronzer to use, so I just like kind of cut that out. Went ahead and did that off camera as well. Do you guys like how my eyes came out? So shiny, right? I love it. This just looks like so light on me. I think it lightened up my foundation a little bit. What do you guys think? I think it did. Oh well, it is what it is. I guess I'll use this Ofra Madison Miller blush in Sweet Stuff. It's this color, and I've used it before. Wait, the overexposed lighting didn't do this blush kind of justice. Okay, it's this color, and I've used it before. It shows up, it's there. I don't know what the hell was up with that other blush. I like when I'm wearing blush, I like to, because some days I just put bronzer on my cheeks and call it a day. But when I'm wearing blush, I like to look blush. You guys should definitely let me know if you agree or disagree with like what I said about the beauty community as a whole. And I tend to agree with Raw Beauty Christy. She did a video that was kind of, she led into most of it being like that. So at least I know she agrees. And I haven't even actually been in the beauty community like for very long, but I've watched it and I've seen the change. Okay, so like when you see a change and then you actually get a chance to experience what these other people are talking about, it just feels sad. So also I got a new highlighter in my Ipsy bag, and it's the Focal Point Glow Lighter by Colored Rain, and the shade is called Treat Yourself. And So this is the highlight I got. Let's open this. You guys, 2 in a row. Oh my goodness. I'm always complaining about how packaging is like plays me, right? But I got 2 packages open. Oh, let me not speak too soon. Okay. Okay. I got it. So that's what it looks like. And let's see. That's what it swatches like. That looks really dark for me, so I'm gonna skip on this since that highlight didn't work, which I was kind of excited. This looks like a really pretty color, but I'm using the AOA Wonder Baked Highlighter in Snap, and this one looks like this. This is the Colored Rain. This is the AOA. So I'm more this color. This is my winter color. This can be my my summer color. What should we do for lips? I found a lipstick. You guys are gonna hate me. I found a lipstick and it's an Ulta Beauty matte lipstick, but let me swatch it. Okay, that is the shade. Okay, so this is the shade, right, that I picked. However, I don't have any shade that's like really close to that, and it doesn't have like a name or anything on it. So if I can figure it out, I'll link it down below, but I don't know. I do not know. So for right now. But right now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip pencil, shade Burgundy. What is it? Brandy Wine, not Burgundy. Brandy Wine. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this New Year's Eve. It's kind of like dark, vampy, but neutral on the eye. Like, I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. See you next time.